In this video, we are going to see how we can insert and use the equations in Google Docs. So this is a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. So if you want to mention any mathematical calculations or equations style numbering or formulas, what you can do is just click on the insert menu and click on symbols and go to equation. So let's say if you want to take a square or show something else, it will load it here. And you have all this Greek letters combination, miscellaneous operations, relations, math operations on the top. So let's say if you want to use the square root of x or want to show something as a special calculation, you can use these here and just mention the number like 2 into 5, something like this. And similarly, we have all of these combinations as well, whatever you want to use. And for example, if you want to show the plus minus sign, you can show this plus minus sign right here. We can show a multiplication sign. We can show a division sign, not equal to sign or equilibrium sign. Similarly, if we want to use this sign, it will be shown like this. So whatever purpose you want to use the mathematical calculations or any kind of special characters for calculations, you can use that by simply enabling it from the insert menu and symbols. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.